It's time I make a new logo, or a mascot, so to speak, for Chantz Fabz. My old logo just isn't cutting it. Stay tuned. I'm gonna make a rock-on skeleton hand out of extra nuts and bolts holding a spud. So, let's get to fabbing. I try to make the anatomy accurate with being like bones. I want to make a vectored logo of this and put it on hats and shirts. Whoever's interested in having like a hat or a shirt, drop a comment down below and I'll make some up for everyone. This thing's pretty wicked, it looks pretty rat rod. I feel like I should throw it on my bike. Also, if you have any requests on videos, just comment down below and I'll add it to my humongous to-do list. I greatly appreciate the feedback when you guys have it. I if you like this video, please hit the like button down below. It helps out extremely. The bigger the channel grows, the more the channel can give away stuff and do more stuff for you guys. So I greatly appreciate everything you guys do. Because without an audience, the channel is non-existent. Before you guys stop watching YouTube, watch this video and watch this video. Thanks for watching, as always. Later.